Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete comments here in Smartsheet. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Smartsheet, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Deleting all comments in Smartsheet is an easy and a straightforward process, but in order for you to delete all comments at once, you'll need to do it individually as there is no built-in feature to delete all comments at once, okay? Now, once you're logged into your Smartsheet account, open the sheet where you want to delete the comments. In my case, this is going to be it. I'm going to click on it and then, now, in the comments panel, all right, you need to access the comment section. That's going to be like, you see, there's an add comment beside the add approve and add attach a file on this row. This icon looks like a speech icon or a chat icon, if you will. Now you will see a list of comments associated with the sheet if you double click on it. You see that one? Let me just do it again. But of course, I don't have anything to begin with, so let me just put in maybe something here. For example, I'm going to put in comment. Press enter to post a comment. I'm going to press enter, and this is going to be the comment. I can also attach a file if I wanted. You can use URL, Google Drive, OneDrive, Box, Dropbox, Evernote, and a lot more, okay? And then press enter. Now, if you think that these comments are annoying or it's like kind of making clutter, all right, removing them can make all these looks clean, making it easier to navigate and focus on essential data without being distracted, all right, by the comment threads. All I'm gonna do is click on the 3 button here and delete comment. All right, it's very easy, really. Now you have to do it to each comment because again, there's no built-in feature to delete all comments at once. You have to delete everything here one by one. And after that, it will help to present a cleaner, more streamlined view of the sheet, especially if the comments are no longer relevant to the current state of the project. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.